Hi and welcome to a new video here on the channel. Today I will be upgrading the ASUS ROG G531GT from 8GB to 16. This device has a maximum capacity of 32GB, so in theory you can be using two 16GB sticks. Today I will be adding another 8GB stick to make the total of 16. Here you can see the screws that you need to loosen. Here I want to show you that there are two types of screws in the back of this. It's one long one and one short ones. The long ones are for the back lid, the three ones that is on the back of it, and also the corners, whilst the smaller ones are for the long sides in the middle. The two screws in the corners in the front I was not able to get out. They were stuck in the chassis. So they were just loosened and left there. I use my hands just to try to open it gently from each side, just going around. Of course here you can use some plastic tool or old credit card or something like that. That will make things a little bit easier to open it up for the first time. Here you have the power cables to the LED lights under the computer. I will not be removing these at this time. This is where the battery is, the memory, and the SSD. In this video, we will be upgrading memory. First, we need to disconnect the battery so that it's safe to change the parts. As you can see here, where I'm zooming in, there is a little clip that you need to push out, which I didn't do right there. You'll see I will realign it a little bit more out. There you go. Now you can open it up from underneath. It just pops up quite simply. So when the battery is disconnected, we can work with the memory. Here you see the old 8GB chip that is already installed. We're going to put a new one here. Please make sure that you have bought memory that is compatible with your version of your laptop. If you are uncertain of which way it should be installed, you can look at the old one that is already installed in your computer. But you should not force it in, you should just pop it into its lanes. When the memory is properly installed, we need to put the power back on the battery. So we need to reconnect the battery to the laptop. And now we need to put the back cover back and also screw the screws back in. Hope you liked the video and hope that also it might have helped you to change the memory or upgrade your memory in your laptop. Please leave a like and subscribe. Thank you very much.